Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Presley sofa range. In the Presley we will find a corner chaise as well as a 2-seater, a 3-seater, an armchair and a footstool that's available in 2 sizes. The Presley sofa range is upholstered in a hard-wearing tweed-like fabric which is available in 2 colourways. We have the cool mushroom grey as well as a stunning moss green. Both colourways are accented by a retro walnut leg. The frame of the Presley sofa range features a eucalyptus wood frame. Eucalyptus wood is known for its durability and long lifespan. The seat cushions are filled with pocket springs and foam, providing superb support and comfort. This sofa range offers a 10-year frame warranty. As we can see, the Presley is a perfect mix of retro and contemporary design. We have a stunning groove detail on the back cushions as well as the sides, giving the Presley sofa a lot of interest. We have an extremely stylish sofa that does not compromise on the level of comfort. Transform your living space with the Presley sofa range today by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.